सबसे बड़ी जो चीज है ना मीरा के सामने, आप कोई भी एक्टर झूठ नहीं बोल सकता। तुम्हारी डेटिंग हो गई, अब चलो तुम शादी कर लो। अच्छा तुमने शादी कर
करो
लिया, अब
शादी।
बच्चा कर लो।
शादी करनी है, ढूंढ लो, कर लो।
यू नो, इन चारों में से आई एम द ओनली वन हु इज मैरिड एक्चुअली। ओके,
I
लेट्स
वो
wanted
जस्ट
to
तो
hear
स्टार्ट
Namit's
देयर।
आपका
answer.
वो सीन
आई
देखते हैं।
आई एम
So, joining us today are four talented actors who are all set to entertain you with their upcoming web series, A Suitable Boy, directed by Meera Nair. So, we have here Tanya, we have her three suitors, Mikhail, Namit, and Danish. Hi, guys, welcome to Spot Boy.
Hi, Aditi.
थैंक
Hi, thank you for
यू,
having
हाय
us.
Thanks.
हाय।
So I'm going to start with something a little serious, not very serious, but the series is based on an issue which is still somewhere prevalent in our society. You know, we have evolved quite a lot, but if you see in every second household, एक मम्मी होती हैं जो बोलती हैं कि a suitable boy is required. So Tanya, you tell me, do you connect with that situation on a personal level?
Um, Luckily, I haven't been through that yet, but yes, I have seen my sister go through that, and I see it around me also that parents insisting on finding a suitable partner for their children, and it's still very much relevant today. But I feel like
Yes.
we've improved a lot on this, and I feel like the youth today, the generation today, when it comes to choosing their partners, they're very insistent on inserting themselves and choosing for themselves. And as you would see in a suitable boy also, you would typically associate Lata with a very modern young lady. And I feel like, yeah, that it's relevant even today because the youth would be able to sort of resonate with what Lata was going through.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट दी सूटर्स यार, आप लोग के घर वालों ने कभी वो नारा लगाया है कि ये एक ऐसी लड़की चाहिए, एक सूटेबल सी लड़की चाहिए? लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दानिश।
हाँ, नहीं, शॉर्ट आंसर नहीं, कभी नहीं लगा है। My parents said, शादी करनी है, ढूंढ लो, कर लो. But
शॉर्ट
it is
तुम्हारा है जैसे।
prevalent in my extended family. I see it happen a lot. So it exists. But मेरे साथ तो वो ट्राई नहीं करेंगे, ऐसी सेटिंग कर दी है।
अच्छा चलो, आपने मतलब पहले से सेटिंग कर रखी है घर पे।
हाँ,
मिखेल, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Yeah, I'm the same. I've never had too much pressure in terms of finding a partner, and it's always been down to my choice, I think. But having said that, as Danish said, I know people who have gone through that, and finding a suitable partner is an important thing. I mean, you understand where it comes from, but I think ultimate choice should be left with the individual. So
यस।
with
यस।
each person, yeah.
नमित।
यू नो, इन चारों में से आई एम द ओनली वन हु इज मैरिड एक्चुअली। ओके,
I
लेट्स
wanted
जस्ट
to hear
स्टार्ट
Namit's
देयर।
आपका वो
answer.
सीन
आई आई एम I'm the senior most citizen here actually, and yes, I have found my suitable person, the suitable person for my life. No, but there was no pressure really, and we were dating for like 6 years, and parents didn't have an issue with that, and then we got married because we wanted to get married. एंड नाउ वी आर मैरिड। नहीं तो अदरवाइज तो हमेशा प्रेशर ही रहता ना। अच्छा तुम्हारी डेटिंग हो गई, अब चलो तुम शादी कर लो। अच्छा तुमने शादी कर
करो
लिया, अब
शादी,
बच्चा कर लो। यू नो,
बच्चे कर लो।
हाँ। तो वो प्रेशर तो हमेशा, वो मैंने अपने दोस्तों के साथ देखा है, बट आई डोंट थिंक आई कम फ्रॉम अ फैमिली वेयर पीपल इंटरैक्ट लाइक दैट। पीपल डोंट प्रेशराइज पीपल एसेंशियली। यस।
सो ये सीरीज बेस्ड है नॉवल पे, सूटेबल बॉय। आप लोग ने पहले पढ़ी थी नॉवल, या फिल्मिंग के दौरान पढ़ी, या एक क्लीन स्लेट के साथ गए कि नहीं नॉवल नहीं पढ़नी, आई जस्ट ट्रीट इट एज अ फ्रेश स्क्रिप्ट?
मैंने नहीं पढ़ी थी, but when I started auditioning for Lata, I started reading the novel at that time. But obviously, I had heard a lot about the book because it is a bestseller, and and when I started reading it, I understood why it is treated the way it is, and it's a very well written book, and it's very descriptive, and it's just so colorful and paints a beautiful picture. So I was really excited, like getting on the project to see how we can bring to life the characters that have been written.
नमित, आपने पढ़ी थी बुक पहले?
जी बिल्कुल, मैंने पढ़ी थी किताब, और मैं कई सालों से ये किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ। और फाइनली मैंने 2015 में फिनिश कर ली थी किताब। और सीरीज शुरू होने से पहले भी मैं तो ये कहता हूँ कि विक्रम सेठ और उनकी सारी किताबें जितनी भी हैं वो
जी।
मेरी फेवरेट हैं, क्योंकि वो इतने फेवरेट राइटर हैं मेरे। तो इसीलिए कहीं ना कहीं मदद तो हुई ऑब्वियसली इस स्क्रिप्ट को परफॉर्म करने के लिए, क्योंकि आपके पास बहुत सारा खाता था, बहुत सारा रॉ
मैटर
मटेरियल
रहता
था,
है।
जो हाँ, जो आप बिल्कुल वो सारी एनर्जीज जो है आप आपके आपके सीन में आप कहीं ना कहीं डाल सकते हो, तो आपके पास हमेशा एक्स्ट्रा चीजें हैं
हम्म।
जो आप सीन में डाल सकते हो. So yeah, it was really a privilege that I had this Bible, The Suitable Boy,
हम्म।
and then I
हम्म।
also as I was performing the script, The Suitable Boy. Yeah.
दानिश, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट मीरा नायर। मतलब उनकी फिल्में आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स होती हैं, ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ बिट एजी आल्सो एट टाइम्स, वेरी ऑफन इन कंट्रोवर्सीज एज वेल। तो साइन करते वक्त आपको कभी भी ये मन में ख्याल आया कि यार मतलब करूं या नहीं करूं, मतलब एनीथिंग व्हिच क्रॉस्ड योर माइंड दैट टाइम?
नहीं नहीं, एब्सोल्युटली नॉट। नॉट इवन 0.1% करूँ या ना करूँ, मेरा था कि प्लीज दो, मुझे करना है। या मुझे जब जब मीरा called me and she said, would you do the honor of being my Kabir? I was at an airport in London, and I think I screamed very loudly, and then I got very scared because I was at an airport in London. But I was overjoyed when I found out. There was no doubt whether I should take it or not. मेरा था प्लीज दे दो, ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी आती नहीं है। मीरा नायर के साथ काम करना is a privilege which a lot of people want and not many people get, because she knows exactly what she's doing. She has such a brilliant eye, and she is something else.
निखिल, आपका भी कुछ ऐसी ओवर द टॉप रिएक्शन था व्हेन यू गॉट द कॉल? डिड यू आल्सो जंप समवेयर
हाँ,
और?
absolutely. बहुत over the top reaction था. I was on a street in London actually, and Dilip Shankar, the casting director, called, and I did scream. I screamed really loudly, and a lot of people turned around and saw this young boy sort of jumping and screaming. But and for Dilip, I feel bad for his hair now that I think about it, because he was on the phone. So, but the book, and that was, I mean, just to take off from there, no one, it was an opportunity of a lifetime. Meera was one of my heroes growing up. I watched all her films, and I've always, dreamt of an opportunity to work with. And this was something that was so special. So I'm very grateful, and the book meant a lot to me because, and I did read it. Actually, my grandparents gave it to me on my 15th birthday, and the inscription was to our suitable boy. So for me, this project means so much. And Meera Nair, and the amount I've learned from each one, Namit, Tanya, Danish, the whole cast. I mean, to work with Tabu, Ishan Khattar, I mean, Ranveer Shore, Shahana Goswami, it's just unbelievable. The names are just endless, and it was a gift, really, absolutely a gift.
I believe you guys worked for the first time with each other in this film.
जी
Yes.
जी जी,
जब आप
बिल्कुल
पहली
बिल्कुल.
बार मिले एक दूसरे से, तो क्या इम्प्रेशन था कि एक दूसरे, कोई वर्ड आया दिमाग में इसको देखकर, या कोई इम्प्रेशन बनाया आप लोग ने एक दूसरे के बारे में?
अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इफ आई टेक दिस क्वेश्चन,
Yes.
आई थिंक इम्प्रेशन बनाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता था. मुझे तो नहीं लगा कि मैंने, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, ये इतने बड़े सेटअप में जहाँ पे आप मीरा नायर जी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, इतने बड़े बड़े डीओपी हैं जो आपको आपका आपकी आपकी सीरीज शूट कर रहे हैं, और बहुत नामी ग्रामी एक्टर्स सारे. मतलब आई रिमेम्बर गोइंग टू द रीडिंग, द फर्स्ट रीडिंग दैट वी हैड, and it was a very intimidating space to enter, क्योंकि यहाँ पे the who's who of Bollywood is actually sitting, and they have been cast, and you are one of them. So that itself is a privilege कि
Yes.
you're starting here. And आदमी को बस अपने ऊपर फोकस करना पड़ता है ये ऐसी ऐसी चीजों में. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज अ होल क्वेश्चन ऑफ कि आपने किसी के बारे में क्या इंप्रेशन बनाया, उसका तो मुझे तो
उसका time
समय
ही
मिला ही
नहीं
नहीं, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल नहीं टाइम मिलता.
तान्या, कोई आपको ऐसी कोई मेमोरी याद हो? shooting के वक्त you which you take back any interesting, funny, emotional, anything you went through?
I feel like every bit of shooting was so interesting. It was a lot of fun. But like going back to the previous question, I remember because I was also very intimidated being in the presence of all these actors, and they are very talented and they're incredible human beings. But I mean, I have personally grown up seeing them and watching them on screen. So I remember my first interaction with Namit when Namit came to Delhi for the chemistry read. I referred to him as Namit sir. And it was and Namit and Namit said कि sir मत बोलो यार sir मत
But
बोलो. But
I'm
yeah,
also इतनी इतनी cute और adorable smile है, मतलब वैसे भी वो कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है तब भी कैसी smile रहती है. I don't think so anyone can get intimidated by it.
yeah,
नहीं,
no,
और सर बोलने वाली मैंने तानिया को सिर्फ यही बोला कि भाई दोनों की जो है ना, दोनों नौकरी लेने आए हैं, तो ना आप सर हैं और ना मैं सर हूँ, ना
Nah,
आप एक्ट, हाँ अब ये अभी सिर्फ जो है ना नौकरी लेने के लिए फटाफट जो है ना अच्छा काम करते हैं, that's it.
yeah. So yeah, that is one of my biggest lessons that everybody is equal here. And जैसा नमित ने बोला कि सब नौकरी लेने आए हैं, सब अपना काम करने आए हैं और सबको बहुत बखूबी से किया है सबने. So बस it was to help each other and bring out the best in each other.
But Meera Nair as a director, as a filmmaker, is she a taskmaster? बहुत strict है या she's very cool and she lets you be and she gives a free hand कि आप improvise करो या कैसे? What sort of a director is she?
Danish will have some few
Okay.
words.
I can see smiling daily. So let's go ahead with it.
I think she is both. She is a taskmaster, but if she has faith in you and she sees that she's getting what she wants from you, then she'll let you improvise thoda yahan wahan pe. But she knows exactly what she wants. She has that a vision in mind from the color of your shoes and clothes to the backdrop. She has a full movie in her head and she wants to see it come out of you. So she is a taskmaster like that. But once you get what you want, then she lets you play with it. She lets you do some fun takes also. You can have fun with it, but you have to get to that process. You have to earn that from her. So she is
But
tough but fair.
why was Namit? Was there any incident which happened कि जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने बोला कि let Danish answer this? कोई आपको डांट पड़ी है set पे या कुछ?
मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ी in all honesty. मैं बोल ही रहा हूँ.
Nikhil,
It's my
how was
first such a big this thing. Sorry, it's my first big one, so it had to happen. बस
Yes,
इतना ही.
yes.
Nay, and I agree with Danish. This was my first, real TV show, and working with Meera was amazing because, as Danish said, she is a hard taskmaster. She always gets what she wants. She will never not get
She
what
does
she
not
wants.
stop.
Meera has some kind of so she will push you till she's happy. But for me, that is what I really want because then you can win your director. Because once she's happy, matlab job is you've done a good job. She's got it out of you. So for me, that was wonderful because I trusted, I was after the mark in that sense. But also she was willing to collaborate. She would talk to me about the character. We would talk about how to play him, and we would come up with certain ideas together, which was really lovely as well. So it felt like I was bringing myself to the character as well, which was, really special. So she's got this balance down like an art, Meera. She's hard taskmaster, but also really lovingly so. She's almost like a mother figure, a mummy bully, like she just, she guides you, but she also, when you need to be sort of whacked on the wrist, she also does that. So.
Do they guys feel कि she was little softer on Tanya? ऐसा कुछ हुआ था? Woman to woman या सबको equal preference मिली थी?
Namit, why don't you answer?
Yeah, that was
He's looking at the ceiling.
नहीं, ऐसे देखिए क्या है कि मीरा नायर के साथ आप काम करेंगे ना, तो आपको एक चीज रियलाइज करनी पड़ेगी कि आपको उनके तरीके से ही चलना पड़ेगा, और जो बिल्कुल सही तरीका भी है ऐसा, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज रिटन डाउन, एवरीथिंग इज स्लेटेड, और धीरे धीरे जो है ना, जब वो आपका ट्रस्ट, जब वो, एंड लकीली मेरे केस में ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि मैं मॉनसून वेडिंग म्यूजिकल भी कर चुका हूँ
Yes.
और मैं वो
जी
लिटरली 4-5 सालों से कर रहा हूँ, तो एक थोड़ा सा कनेक्शन था।
जी
लेकिन आप उस कनेक्शन को मतलब आप उसका फायदा नहीं उठा सकते। और सबसे बड़ी चीज जो है
मिसयूज
जो
नहीं
मैं
कर सकते
हमेशा
आप।
कहता हूँ, नहीं आप नहीं कर सकते। और सबसे बड़ी जो चीज है ना मीरा के सामने, आप कोई भी एक्टर झूठ नहीं बोल सकता। ये मुझे जो है ना, ये आप मतलब उनका एक टर्म भी है कि वो जो है ना कि मतलब वो झूठा पेंट लगा के आप निकल गए, नहीं आप ये नहीं कर
हाँ
सकते। क्योंकि आपको अपना, यू विल हैव टू ब्रिंग योर ए गेम टू द टेबल, एंड नॉट ओनली फॉर द एक्टर्स बट ऑल्सो फॉर द टेक्नीशियंस। एंड you really can't fool her because she's so true to whatever is happening on paper and what she wants from a particular visual uh, to a scene. And I really genuinely feel that she's one of the best actor directors in the world, because the way she will push you, yes you will be very tired at the end of the day, but you know that you would have given your best. And it's your best which is going to be shown on camera finally. And the beauty of this is, ये सब कुछ अगर अब हम हटा दें तो वो सारे अपने एक्टर्स से वो बहुत प्यार करती हैं। एंड वो प्यार मैंने लिटरली सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं बल्कि लता के लिए, और लता के लिए स्पेशली देखा। एक शॉट था मुझे याद है, जब हम लोग वो सीन कर रहे थे एंड शी जस्ट केम अप एंड शी सेड दैट जब मैं द मोमेंट आई हैड सीन तान्या, आई इमेजिन दैट शॉट of her looking up, which is a very, very close focus on her eyes. And I said, wow, यार ये तो मतलब इस तरह के डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करना, मतलब this is like a dream like
absolutely
job. Your director
Yeah.
is so much in love with you. That is the beauty of being Meera Nair, yaar.
Yeah,
Actually, I just wanted to
definitely.
share something. Yeah, absolutely. But yesterday I got a message from Meera. She commented on some social media. She said, I knew you the one night I saw you at the foyer or something like that. I knew you were the one. And just getting that kind of love. It's been a year since we finished shooting. But the amount of love and care that carries on is just amazing. Only she's so full
Oh,
of love, Meera.
Yeah.
So I was talking about the characters. If we interchange the characters which you guys are playing in this film, कौन सा character आप लोग choose करेंगे, barring the ones which you obviously are playing right now? Let's
Oh.
start with Tanya.
I don't think I could play anybody but Lata. But my best friend, because she's been a huge fan of the book, she always saw me as Tasneem. So I think it could be either Lata or Tasneem.
Okay, okay, okay. Namit.
I would like to play Man. I'm there. Man.
Okay.
That's my first choice, and there is a second choice, Nawab Saab.
Oh,
So is it anything to do with sharing the screen space with Tabuji?
We'll let that pass, please.
What about Michelle?
Of course,
um,
it's about sharing space with Tabu. Yeah.
I
Michelle.
would. That's a tough one. All the characters are so brilliant. Kabir, actually, when I read the book, 100% my heart was with Kabir. So I would say Kabir. Gut reaction.
And Kabir, what about you?
It's so hard to choose after seeing everyone who's played them play. But I only saw myself as Kabir. But if I had to say, I would probably say Amit because that's the next closest to me, in my opinion.
Okay, okay, okay. So
We'll
we don't
switch,
have much of
Mikhail.
time, guys, left. So this is a small questionnaire I had
Yeah, let's
prepared
switch.
for Tanya. So it's very rapid fire, so we'll go quickly and wrap this up. तो मूवी के एंड में तो तान्या किसको चूज करेंगी, लता किसको चूज करेंगी, वील लेट द व्यूअर्स नो दिस. बट यहाँ पे जो 3 शूटर्स है, अभी मैं तान्या के बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी एंड यू गाइस आंसर दिस वन बाय वन. ओके, वील स्टार्ट विद नमित, मिखेल एंड Suresh. Tanya's favorite cuisine: Indian, Chinese, Italian, or none of the above? Namit.
Indian.
Mikhail.
Indian.
Italian.
Okay, Tanya, what's the right answer?
Indian.
Okay, so
Just trying.
next one. Tanya's favorite holiday destination has to be a place by the beach or atop a hill. Namit.
By the beach, I think.
Mikhail.
By the beach.
Are you
By the
following
beach.
Namit?
Hill. Hills.
And Danish, what about you?
Hills or a hill by the beach would be the
Tanya?
ideal.
Oh, very
Guess
clever.
this one.
Hills.
Hey.
Oh,
So, okay. Next
One
one.
all,
Tanya would
boys.
prefer a cozy house party or a rocking lounge party outside. What is her choice? Namit.
a cozy
House
party. Yeah, house
Cozy
party.
house party for sure. A
Cozy house party. There's
I think this one
no.
everyone gets it.
Yeah.
Okay. Tanya is most comfortable in Indian wear, Western wear, or anything as far it is comfortable for her to wear and carry it on.
Yeah, comfort
Option
wear
three.
which she can carry.
Comfort. Yeah.
Option three.
Comfort.
Option
Comfort.
three.
I think my suitors know me
I
very
think
well.
everyone is.
Pajamas.
Last one. Last one.
Pajamas
Tanya
are big.
believes in love marriage or arranged marriage.
Love marriage.
L-
Love marriage.
I think Tanya doesn't believe in marriage.
Oh,
I didn't want to put it that as an option, but I thought, okay, let's not confuse her.
I think this is because I remember having a conversation
We've had
with Tanya
discussions,
about this.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so Tanya,
I believe in love.
who do you think gets this prize here?
I think
In a
Namit
small-
gets this
Namit gets this one.
one.
Thank you so much, guys, for being with us. I hope it was fun interacting with us. It was an absolute pleasure for me. I had a lot of fun. And all the best
Likewise.
for your film.
Yeah, it was great fun.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
thank you, thank you so much.
Thank you.
so much.